Are you looking for down payment assistance? In this video, you're going to learn all about a great program New Jersey has to offer first-time homebuyers and other incentives. This program is called the Down Payment Assistance Program from the New Jersey Housing and Mortgage Financing Agency. The program provides up to $15,000 for qualified first-time homebuyers in the form of an interest-free 5-year forgivable loan. The state of New Jersey has allocated $25 million for these funds, so it behooves you to jump on this early because the funds are available on a first-come, first-served basis. So this all sounds great, and you're probably asking yourself, how do I qualify for this? So the first thing is you must be a first-time home buyer. Now what's interesting is New Jersey defines a first-time home buyer as someone that has not owned a home in the past 3 years. So that's good news for people that have previously owned a home. You can still take advantage of this program, just as long as you haven't owned a home in the past 3 years. The second caveat is you must use a qualified lender. Now, we're not a mortgage company. We can definitely introduce you to some qualified lenders that participate in this program, but it must be a state-approved lender to take advantage of this program. Now, the third caveat is you must meet certain income and credit limits to qualify for this program. The limits differ per area, so important just to double check and make sure that you qualify, and we can even run a search for you to make sure that you're pulling up all the right homes, the right areas, so you can qualify for this program. Now, while this may seem overwhelming, we actually put together a step-by-step guide for you. This way you can know if you qualify without a shadow of a doubt. More importantly, we can actually filter our searches to make sure that homes qualify under this program based on the areas and property types that you are looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, send a direct message for the guide, and if you find this video useful, you can feel free to forward it to anyone who might be interested as well. Make it a great day, and thank you for watching.